Today we will start average value of AC. Average value of AC, suppose in AC current I equal to I naught sin omega t is applied. Okay, then the amount of charge associated with this current. Suppose for dt time the charge current remain constant. So amount of charge was it dq equal to I dt equal to I naught sin omega t dt. Therefore, total charge q will be integration of dq equal to integration. Now we will give limit. Limit means complete cycle. Average value of is determined for complete cycle. So cycle means 0 to t time. Now our this is AC. So complete time period means t up to this much. This will be t by 2. Then 0 to t dt means I sin omega t dt. This will be minus I naught cos omega t by omega. This is 0 to t. Now cos, this is minus I naught by omega. Cos omega t means cos omega t minus cos 0. Now cos omega t is omega t के twice pi. So cos twice pi cos 2 pi minus 1. Cos 2 pi equal to minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Sorry, cos 2 pi equal plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So ultimately it will be 0. This cos 2 pi 1 cancel, so 0. So average q is 0. So if q is 0, then q by t will be q by t will be equal to 0. Therefore I average equal to 0 means complete cycle from 0 to t the average value of current is 0. Okay, so mean value average value of AC for our full cycle will be 0. This question won't come in exam. A question comes average value of AC means half cycle for this time period t by 2. This much is t, so this much is time means t by 2. We will determine average value of AC for t by 2 time. T by 2 time means we'll get average value of AC like this. This for which value? This, suppose this value, this average value. Average of this will be this, maybe. So this will be the average value of AC. So first write down definition. Average value of AC is that value of steady current for which the same charge in a circuit in the same time adjacent by the given AC in half its time period. This time period is will be half. In this time period, which current is going is known as average value of AC. So same thing, same we will consider. Let us consider I equal to I naught sin omega t is passing through a circuit. So for time small dt, this current remains constant. I equal to I dt should be I naught sin omega t dt. Therefore total charge q equal to I naught sin omega t dt. Limit time is 0 to t by 2. So I naught is constant. Integral sin omega t is minus cos omega t by omega 0 to t by 2. This will be I naught by minus omega cos omega t means twice pi. So this is omega t by 2 minus cos 0. Okay. So this will be Q equal to I naught by minus omega. Here omega t cos cos pi minus 1 equal to minus I naught by omega. Cos 1 t is minus 1 equal to 2. 2 I naught by omega. Omega I can write this one is 2 pi by t. So this will be I naught t by pi. I naught 1 2 I naught omega. Okay. 2 I naught, just a minute. 2 I naught by omega. Omega equal to pi. I know t by pi. Okay. Then this is average value I will be I average equal to Q by T equal to I naught by pi equal to 0.637 of I naught. So mean value of AC will be 0.637 times of peak value I naught. Okay. So we will get mean value of AC.